In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check word count in Notion. We'll cover the built-in page word count and a simple way to estimate word counts inside a database using a formula. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to set things up so you can stay on top of your writing targets. Start by opening the Notion page you want to check. This can be any page, an essay, meeting notes, or a project document. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner of the window for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More menu. Click that icon to open the drop-down. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the drop-down menu. There are a lot of options in here, so don't worry if you have to flick the mouse wheel a bit. At the very bottom, you'll see word count listed as the final item. That's your quick snapshot of how long the page is. It's a great way to get a fast check without leaving the page, and it updates as your content changes. If you are on the mobile app, look for the same three-dot menu and head to the bottom. Placement can vary slightly, but the word count appears at the end of that menu as well. If you work in databases and want an estimate for a specific text property, like the title of a task or a short summary, you can add a formula property to calculate an approximate word count. Open your database, add a new property and set its type to formula. You can name it something like word count, so it's easy to spot later. Then paste this formula into the editor. If length prop names phase 0, length replace eo, prop name, circumflex, +1, 0. This formula counts spaces in the name property and adds 1, which approximates the number of words. If your database uses a different property name, replace name in the formula with that exact property name. It returns 0 when the field is empty, which keeps your database tidy. Keep in mind, this is an estimate based on spaces. Extra spaces, unusual punctuation, or line breaks can nudge the number a bit. For the most accurate total on a full page, use the built-in word count at the bottom of the three-dot menu. For quick, per-item estimates in a database, the formula method is fast and reliable enough for most workflows. That's all you need to check word count in Notion, both on pages and inside databases. Thanks for watching.